You use Bluetooth every single day. Your earbuds, your keyboard, your smartwatch. But most people have no idea how it actually works or why Bluetooth 5.4 exists when 5.0 already felt new. Today, we're breaking Bluetooth down properly. What it is, how devices find each other and connect, and why each version exists. We'll start with what Bluetooth actually is, then how devices find each other and connect. After that, we'll walk through every major Bluetooth version, from the buggy mess in the 90s to the version your earbuds use today. By the end of this video, Bluetooth won't feel like magic anymore. What Bluetooth actually is. At its core, Bluetooth is just a short-range wireless communication standard. It lets devices exchange data over radio waves in the 2.4 GHz frequency band. Same band as Wi-Fi, same band as microwaves. Very crowded space. Bluetooth is designed for short distances and low power, which is why it's used for things like earbuds, keyboards, mice, fitness trackers, and smart home devices. When Bluetooth devices connect, they form what's called a personal area network, or PAN, basically a tiny private network just for your devices. The name Bluetooth actually comes from a Viking king named Harald Bluetooth, who united Denmark and Norway. The idea was that Bluetooth would unite devices the same way Harald did, and the logo, it's literally Harald's initials written in ancient Norse runes. How Bluetooth communicates. Bluetooth devices talk using short bursts of radio signals. When you connect your phone to earbuds, they don't just sit on one frequency. Bluetooth uses something called frequency hopping. It jumps between 79 different channels in the 2.4 GHz band, about 1,600 times every second. That constant hopping is why Bluetooth usually works even when Wi-Fi, other phones, and random electronics are all fighting for the same airspace. How pairing actually works. When you put earbuds into pairing mode, they start advertising themselves. Your phone scans the area, sees them, and says, "Okay, I see you." They then exchange security keys, verify each other, and create an encrypted connection. Once that's done, they remember each other. That's why the next time you open your earbuds, they connect instantly without asking. The evolution of Bluetooth. Bluetooth 1.0, 1999. This was the rough beginning. Bluetooth 1.0 was slow, unstable, and honestly painful to use. Devices from different brands often refused to connect at all. Speed about 721 kilobits per second. Range roughly 10 meters. Pairing was confusing, connections dropped constantly. Battery life was terrible. The idea was good, the execution wasn't. Bluetooth 1.1 and 1.2, 2002 to 2003. Bluetooth 1.1 fixed many of the worst bugs. 1.2 added adaptive frequency hopping, which meant Bluetooth could detect Wi-Fi interference and avoid those channels. Same speed, same range, but finally it worked reliably. Bluetooth 2.0 plus EDR, 2004. This was the first big breakthrough. EDR stands for Enhanced Data Rate, and it tripled the speed. Speed jumped to 3 megabits per second. Audio quality improved dramatically. Power consumption went down. This is when Bluetooth headphones stopped being frustrating and started being usable. Bluetooth finally went mainstream here. Bluetooth 2.1, 2007. This version fixed one of Bluetooth's biggest annoyances, pairing. Before this, you had to enter PIN codes. Bluetooth 2.1 introduced secure simple pairing. Press a button, done. It also improved battery life during idle periods. Bluetooth 3.0 plus HS, 2009. Bluetooth tried something clever here. For large file transfers, it could temporarily hand off data to Wi-Fi, then switch back to Bluetooth. On paper, speeds could hit 24 megabits per second. In reality, it was clunky and rarely used. Bluetooth 3.0 didn't really change much long-term. Bluetooth 4.0, 2010. The low energy revolution. This is one of the most important versions ever. Bluetooth 4.0 introduced Bluetooth Low Energy, or BLE. It was designed for devices that need to run for months or years on tiny batteries. Fitness trackers, smartwatches, sensors, medical devices, smart home gear. Classic Bluetooth stayed for things like audio. BLE handled efficiency. That split still exists today. Bluetooth 4.1 and 4.2, 2013 to 2014. Bluetooth 4.1 improved coexistence with LTE networks. 4.2 focused heavily on IoT and privacy. It made BLE transfers more efficient and introduced address randomization, which made it harder to track people using Bluetooth signals. It also allowed BLE devices to connect directly to the internet using IPv6. Bluetooth 5.0, 2016, the modern standard. This is where Bluetooth really became great. Up to 4 times the range for BLE, double the speed, 8 times the broadcast capacity. In open space, BLE range could reach up to 240 meters. In the real world, with walls and interference, think 40 to 80 meters. Bluetooth 5.0 is why true wireless earbuds exploded. Reliable connections, good audio, decent battery life. This version changed everything. Bluetooth 5.1, 2019, Bluetooth gained direction finding. Devices could now determine the location and direction of a signal with centimeter-level accuracy. This enabled indoor navigation, item trackers like AirTags, and smarter automation. Bluetooth 5.2, 2020, LE audio. Another massive shift. Bluetooth 5.2 introduced LE audio, replacing the old audio stack. Key improvements: LCC codec for better sound at lower bit rates, multi-stream audio for true wireless earbuds, and broadcast audio so one source can send audio to many receivers. This is the foundation of modern wireless audio. Bluetooth 5.3 and 5.4, 2021 to 2023, these versions focused on refinement, better efficiency, better reliability in crowded environments, better security. Bluetooth 5.4 added features aimed at large-scale IoT systems like electronic shelf labels and sensors, while improving encryption and power efficiency. Bluetooth classes. Bluetooth devices are grouped by transmission power. Class 1 up to 100 meters, Class 2 up to 10 meters, Class 3 up to 1 meter. Almost everything you use daily is Class 2. Bluetooth profiles. Profiles define what a Bluetooth device can do. A few important ones: AD2P for high-quality audio, HFP and HSP for calls, AVRCP for media controls, and HID for keyboards and mice. Both devices must support the same profile to work properly. That's why some speakers handle calls and others don't. Bluetooth versus Wi-Fi. They use the same frequency band, but they solve different problems. Bluetooth is for short-range, low-power, device-to-device connections. Wi-Fi is for high-speed internet and large data transfers. They're not competitors, they complement each other. From barely usable connections in 1999 to Bluetooth 5.4 with LE audio and massive range improvements, Bluetooth has come a long way. It's invisible, it's everywhere, and it keeps getting better. What's the most annoying Bluetooth device you've ever used? Drop it in the comments. And if this finally made Bluetooth make sense, like the video and subscribe for more tech explained properly.